Good morning this Wednesday, the 31st of July. I'm Sam Canard, a market analyst at Bell Direct. Wall Street closed mixed overnight as investors dropped some big-name tech stocks before earnings reports are released. The Dow Jones gained 0.5%, the S&P 500 fell 0.5%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq fell 1.28%. Investors pulled out of some big-name tech stocks overnight, including Nvidia, which dropped 7%, whilst Microsoft fell nearly 1%. Other stocks to decline overnight include Amazon, Netflix, and Meta Platforms. Early tomorrow morning, the US Federal Reserve interest rate decision will be announced, which is a consensus and forecast to be maintained at its current rate of 5.5%. Over in Europe, markets closed higher as earnings season reports continue to be released. The Stoxx 600 rose 0.53% overnight, with the majority of sectors closing Tuesday's trading session in the green. Gains were led by construction and materials stocks, which added 1.37%, whilst mining stocks fell 1.22%. Germany's DAX rose 0.49%, the French CAC gained 0.42%, and over in the UK, the FTSE 100 fell 0.22% by the closing bell. Locally yesterday, the ASX 200 closed 0.46% lower, with most sectors closing in the red. Losses were led by the materials and information technology sectors, which fell 1.93% and 0.9% respectively. This was slightly offset by the consumer discretionary sector, which rose by 0.22% by the end of the trading session. As for what to watch locally today, the Australian share market is set to open higher, with the SPI future suggesting a rise of 0.37% at market open this morning. In terms of economic data today, CPI indicated data will be released at 11:30 this morning, with a forecast of 3.9%, with its previous result having been at 4%. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.78% lower at $75.22 a barrel as demand lowers from top consumers such as China. Gold is trading 1.25% higher at $2,410 an ounce, and iron ore is trading 0.25% lower at $106.59 a tonne. And now to end with some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter maintains a speculative buy rating on RMA Global and has a 12-month price target of 10 cents. The buy rating is maintained by Bell Potter as the key driver for shareholder value in RMY remains the US market, where a decline in interest rates could potentially drive an uplift for house sales and as a result increase activity on RMY's platform and subscriptions. The recommendation and valuation is based on penetrating the large US market, which presents a significant opportunity, hence the speculative buy rating is maintained. And Trading Central has identified a bearish signal on Arena REIT, indicating that stock price may fall from the close of $3.77 to the range of $3.49 to $3.55 on a pattern formed over 28 days according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. We hope you have a great day, and as always, happy investing.